Chief Minister honors state-level Gurung TMU Lochar celebration Pakyong, 3rd January. Chief Minister Mr. Prem Singh Tamangole honored the state-level Gurung TMU Lochar celebration 2025, organized by the state-level Gurung TMU Lochar celebration committee in Parkha, Pakyong, today. The event had the presence of Speaker and Deputy Speaker of Sikkim Legislative Assembly, Cabinet Ministers, MLAs, Political Secretary to HCM, Advisors, Jilla Adhyaksha and Upadhyaksha Pakyong, Deputy Mayor Gangtok, Jilla Panchayats, Ward Panchayats along with officials from various line departments, members of the Gurung Committee, Panchayats, police personnel and the general public. Addressing the gathering, the Chief Minister conveyed his best wishes for the occasion and expressed his honor in participating in the state-level Gurung TMU Lochar celebration. He emphasized the importance of this celebration, noting its role in uniting community members and fostering a sense of solidarity. The Chief Minister highlighted the significance of the festival within the Gurung community as a vibrant manifestation of their rich cultural heritage while urging attendees to take proactive measures to protect and preserve their folk traditions, language, and traditional attire, which are essential for transmitting invaluable cultural legacies to future generations, with the state government's backing in these endeavors. Furthermore, he underscored the importance of cultivating unity for community development and encouraged individuals to collaborate to create a supportive environment. The Chief Minister then noted that the forthcoming celebration of the 50th anniversary of statehood would be conducted with great splendor, showcasing the region's rich traditions and customs. As part of these celebrations, he introduced the Treasury Memories initiative, designed to preserve books, photographs, and other artifacts to be unveiled during the centenary of statehood, thereby enabling future generations to connect with Sikkim's history while also promoting participation in the vision for a prosperous Sikkim. To empower youth entrepreneurs in the state and facilitate their journey towards self-reliance, he proposed initiatives to provide the necessary resources and opportunities for them to thrive and develop sustainable careers. At the outset, the Chief Minister visited Bheri Ghot, Rodhighar, and various stalls to witness collectibles and artifacts from the historical period. During the program, Mr. Puran Kyar Gurun, Minister cum Chief Patron for SLG, T, LCC, underscored the cultural significance of the event, asserting that festivals are instrumental in fostering community values and bolstering social ties. He also informed attendees about advancements in language education, tourism, and the development of religious sites, emphasizing that such initiatives are poised to enhance the community's overall welfare while enriching its cultural heritage. Moreover, he implored the attendees to advocate for unity and cooperation, asserting that collaborative efforts are paramount for societal advancement and creating a promising future. Similarly, Mrs. Pamin Lepcha, MLA cum patron of SLG, T, LCC, emphasized the historical and geographical relevance of the Pakyong district and elaborated on government initiatives that are orientated towards achieving self-sufficiency while preserving the district's rich cultural heritage. Subsequently, Mr. D.B. Gurung, president of the SLG, T, LCC, articulated the region's rich history, which has been integral to shaping the identity of the Gurung community in the area, thereby accentuating the importance of language as a vital component of cultural expression among the Gurung people while also sharing measures aimed at safeguarding their rich cultural traditions. Additionally, it provided insights into the various initiatives the state government has undertaken to support and sustain traditions across the state, reiterating a commitment to preserving the cultural heritage of the Gurung community. Further, Mr. Meghraj Gurung imparted information regarding the historical context of the traditions and culture of the Gurung community, which was followed by a display of ritual performances by the Gurung community. The event also included a felicitation ceremony wherein individuals from various organizations and regions were recognized for their contributions to the community. Cultural performances displayed a range of traditional dances from different areas including the Ghatu dance, Chutka dance, Bedi Ghod dance, Tukna song and dance, Kora dance, and Shorthi dance, all of which highlighted the rich traditions and provided a glimpse into the cultural heritage of the Gurung community.